Yo, what a difference a week can make. Last week we were like, oh, this is so much fun. We're having so much fun. Then this week, Robinhood's gone crazy. Who knows what's going on in the stock market? It's starting to feel like we got no food, we got no jobs.
Our pets' heads are falling off!
But in this moment, this is a good opportunity for us to remember, just take a deep breath. We got this. We're going to figure it out. We're in for the long haul. The short-term manic craziness is not going to affect our financial success. In this video, we're going to look at what the Discord voted for this week. We're going to add some stocks, buy some stocks, and see why my entire portfolio is in the red. Everything's down, and why I'm not too worried about it. I don't know, maybe a little worried, but welcome to February. January's behind us. We're going to look forward. Last week's video got over 11,000 views. Thank you so much. So many people adding the Discord, being a part of that voice. I'll leave that link down in the description below if you want to join in the conversation. People asking like, hey, it's week 5. I just found out. Can I start the challenge? Yeah. The challenge is for you to invest at least $50 every single week. Find $50 somewhere, invest it into an ETF, a growth ETF, or pick your own stocks and see if you can have better returns than me. Right now, most people have better returns than me, but we'll see. We're doing this for the whole year. So let's first take a look at what Discord said and what they want to do and the stocks they got to vote on this week. All right, so this week inside the Discord where we're talking about it, here's the challenge. Guys, here's the old, I got some catching up to do. A lot of white in here today. We got PayPal, Home Depot, Verizon, 3M, Johnson & Johnson, and then I use the $50 to build some existing positions, and that's what, overwhelmingly, 31 votes for that. So I know we're going to be buying stocks, but we're going to be buying stocks that we already own, and we're going to be building positions, and we're going to do that by looking at, what I can average down. So let's go over to my spreadsheet, and we'll take a look at that, and we'll see what kind of stocks we can add, and then we'll jump into the portfolio over on Robinhood. So this spreadsheet here, guys, that I created, which calls a lot of information from Google Finance, updates on its own. You can get that inside the Patreon Discord group, as well as all my other portfolios for Poor Man Covered Call, everything, even debt, budgeting. I have all those spreadsheets in there. And a lot of the cool members have been putting their own spreadsheets in. So the spreadsheets, this is building. But here's the current portfolio. We can see, not doing so good. Right now, it is Monday. I have a snow day today, so I was able to get this done and record actually while the markets were open. But we can see last Friday, everything was in the red. All right, everything sucked. Even ARK, who has just been, they had that one good day in the middle of January to start the year, but they currently are the only one that's back in the green. My stocks, because picking stocks is hard. It really is. even VTI is down, but thank God ARK. I never thought I'd be saying this every week, but thank God I have ARK in my portfolio, bringing the total portfolio just above the green here. So actually today for Monday, the markets are actually up a little bit over the last week. Down. Like I said, we had a bad week last week. The market's just, who knows what's going on in the markets right now. Over the last month, up about 5%. I do have some little bit in buying power. I keep getting referral stocks from videos years ago. I can't even find those videos and those links. So this will be a part of that 150 this week. And guys, I do want to talk about the Robinhood thing real quick, because I'm sure you've heard about Robinhood in the news. And people have been DMing me, emailing me like, am I done with Robinhood? Guys, I have my primary brokerage, my pretty much a majority of my net worth in not in Robinhood, in Vanguard. All right. I do love Robinhood for their interface, it's easy to trade options, things like that. I'm not ready to ditch Robinhood. I'm here to say what they did last week. And if you don't know, just read the news. But pretty much they manipulated the market. And it wasn't just them. It was a lot of them. They were the first ones and probably screwed the most people over because it has the biggest amount of users. But I don't think you need to be worried if you are a new investor and you're investing in simple things. What happened last week was with speculative stocks and trading options and more advanced investing things. As you can see, none of that affected this portfolio except with the markets just being down a little bit, but they'll rebound. And like I said, I'm not ditching Robinhood. I still like to use them. And I also love the fact that it has instant deposit. Like I said, I just put $150 in. You don't have to wait. Once you set up your bank, you don't have to wait for things to clear. So there's things like that. That's what this huge shoot is. We just put $150 in. We know we're adding $50 to VTI. We know we're adding $50 to ARK. Let's do that. Let's bang that out and get that out of the way before we start adding some stocks. All right, now what we're going to do is go to the spreadsheet and let's average down some things. We'll pick 5 stocks. We'll buy 5 stocks right now, $10 each. whatever is at a discount right now, meaning it's below my cost basis or my average cost per share, that's what we're going to go with right now. And I can see that very easily with a column in my spreadsheet. Green means I should buy because the current price is less than the average cost of the shares that I own. So Vanguard right now, my average cost 198, which will be updated because I just bought shares. But we can see that's 0.62% below my basis. So we can go through and we can find some, everything. Vuzi is up, it's killing it for me. It's pretty much holding my stocks above the water. We can see I'm getting NEO right now at a pretty good discount, but to be honest, guys, I'm gonna skip NEO this week. I feel like I've already averaged down on this. I got in at a high price. I kind of want to see what they're going to do before I keep putting money in. So I'm actually going to skip. I'm going to skip NEO this week. The next one that I'm getting at a really, really nice discount. My average cost in AbbVie right now is $109.69. And it's really currently trading for $102. So I'm going to buy $10 of AbbVie right now. If I scroll, and I am so happy to see this, there are good days. There are very, very good days. And guys, Pepsi is one of my favorite stocks. It's one of my biggest holdings in my regular portfolio as well. To see Pepsi at a discount, I'm pumped. I want to always be adding money to Pepsi, so I'm going to be doing that right now. That will be the second stock this week. Guys, add Pepsi. I can't say add. I can't tell you what to do. But between Pepsi and Visa, those would be the only two stocks I'd ever invest in right now. If you've been following my channel for a while, guys, you know how much I just love Pepsi. I'm just a huge fan of their company. They're essentially an ETF in themselves with all the holdings that they have. The next thing, so that's at 5%. We have a couple 4s, 4.95, and we have a 4.59. I'm going to definitely add some more Square. $10 going into Square. That's stock number 3. $20 of buying power. Let's go see. And guys, here's where you don't always just go by the numbers, because once again, guys, plug is another speculative investment. So that might be something I might look to jump over. I'm not really sure. I look at the other ones I have. I have Starbucks that I might want to consider, Disney that I might want to consider. Actually, Disney, huge fan. I'm going Disney. That's going to be 4th. No questions asked. Disney all day. I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? You can't tell me. But we pretty much, let's see, the ones we really can choose from, I think I'm going to go either between Starbucks or Plug Power. I mean, I don't know. I think for the dividend play, I think I'm going to go into Starbucks. I'm going to add $10 more to Starbucks. And the reason too, guys, is Plugs is also a little bit of a speculative investment. Not sure exactly what they're going to be doing. Starbucks dividend player, getting them for under $100. Even though they're up 2% today, that's okay. I'm happy with that. I'm going to add it. They're still below my basis. If I go back into there and we see if that's even updated, $99, still getting them at a pretty good discount on my basis. So boom, I'm getting them for under $100, and that's going to be that. So now once all these clear, guys, I will update this. And for everybody inside the Discord, I will post this spreadsheet as soon as I get it updated. As you know, I like to update it, keep you guys posted, and I want to hear back from you. Get down in the comments. Let me know how your challenge is going. Let me know how much you're investing, what stocks you're buying. If you want to see the whole playlist of this challenge back to week 1, I'll leave that video right here. And if you're more into options, I'm going to leave my options playlist right here. You can check out what I'm doing with my option plays. Until I see you guys on the next one, stay positive. Work really, really hard. Always, I beg you, please be kind to other people. Don't worry about these markets. It's going to be okay. Keep investing on a regular basis and you will be fine. Cheers, guys.